Good morning, students. Today's topic is wetting phenomenon and detergency. In this class, discussing about mechanism of wetting agents and detergents and their applications used in pharmacy. In pharmaceutical industries, a large quantity of powder materials are mixed with water. If powders are do not wetted properly to the added water due to increase in their density than water, so there are float on the surface of the waters. Wetting is an absorption process in which intimate contact of the solids with liquid phase is achieved. Wetting is the ability of a liquid to maintain contact with the surface of solid resulting from intermolecular interactions occurs between two or both together. The degree of wetting determined by force balance between adhesive and cohesive forces. Examples of wetting phenomenon used in pharmacy. In preparation of emulsions and suspensions, intimate contact of solid or liquid with another liquid is the initial step in preparation of suspensions and emulsions. In case of granulation, prior to the tablets preparation, the powders are mixed with liquid binding agents. The success of this process mainly depending on wetting and spreading of liquid over the solids. Film coating of tablets requires wetting and spreading of liquid over the tablet surface area. Dissolution of a tablet or capsules necessitate the penetration of liquid into pores of the dosage forms. So these are important areas in pharmacy in wetting phenomenons. The importance of contact angle and surface tension of the liquid can be studied. Surfactants are used to wetting of powders. These surfactants having hydrophilic and lipophilic balance value is 6 to 9. These wetting agents achieving good wetting property by lower the interfacial tension between two interfaces or lowering the contact angle between solid and liquid and also displacing air and permit the intimate contact with each other. The efficiency of a wetting agents can be determined by using contact angle. It is defined as an angle between the droplet of and surface over which is spread. This contact angle evaluates the efficiency of wetting agents. This value is occurs in between 0 to 180 degrees centigrade. Contact angle can be conveniently estimated by placing a drop of liquid on the solid surface, the force acting at a point P at equilibrium may be considered. Theta is greater than 90, it indicates poor wetting. Theta is less than 90, it is good wetting. Theta is equal to 0, it is a compound having excellent wetting property. Another example, theta is 0, spreading. Theta is less than 90, good wetting. Theta is equal to 90, incompressible wetting. Theta is greater than 90, incomplete wetting. Theta is greater than 180, no wetting can be occurs. To the left side, interfacial tension between solid and gas indicated by surface tension of gas solid. To the right, interfacial tension between solid and liquid can be indicated by surface tension of Ls or SL. The tangential along the surface of the liquid along the surface tension of liquid is designated by YL. At equilibrium can be achieved. Surface tension of solid is equal to surface tension of solid and liquid surfaces plus surface tension of liquid into cos theta. Cos theta is equal to contact angle. The contact angle is written as cos theta is equal to minus surface tension of surface solid and liquid plus surface tension of solid is divided by surface tension of liquid. Wetting process improved by when cos theta is equal to 1 or theta is equal to 0, it indicates ideal wetting. Some examples: when contact angle is near to 0 or 0 indicates a drop of water placed on the clean glass surfaces. When theta is equal to greater than 90, some examples are a drop of fatty acid placed on the clean glass surface, when a drop of water on the paraffin coated surfaces. Theta is equal to 109 degrees. Example, a drop of water on Teflon. Contact angle of some commonly used powders. Indomethacin having 90 degrees, tolbutamide having 72, nitrofurantoin 69, phenylbutazone 109, chlorphenicol palmitate alpha form is having 122, ampicillin trihydrate having 21, lactose having 30. In pharmaceutical field, many powders, example indomethacin, tolbutamide and nitrofurantoin is having slightly hydrophobic in nature. Their contact angle is 70 to 90 degrees. Coming to phenylbutazone and chloramphenicol is having are hydrophobic in nature, so they are having contact angle is higher to 100. Formulation of these suspensions, these drugs using wetting agents. Hydrophobic surface and hydrophilic surfaces. For hydrophobic surfaces, comparing between hydrophobic surfaces and hydrophilic surfaces, contact angle is high for hydrophobic surfaces. Contact angle is low for hydrophilic surfaces. Adhesiveness is poor for hydrophobic surfaces and adhesiveness is good for hydrophilic surfaces. Wetting ability is poor for hydrophobic surfaces. Wetting ability is good for hydrophilic surfaces. Solid surface free energy is low for hydrophobic surfaces, and solid surface free energy is high for hydrophilic surfaces. There are several methods are used for determining the relative efficiency of wetting agents. Most commonly used method is Drave's test. Drave's test is used for determining the efficiency of wetting agents. Drave's wetting test. This test is used to measure the time in seconds it takes to completely wet a woven cotton skein. A superior wetter will require less than 20 seconds for wetting to occur. Lower the score in this test, better wetting characteristics of the powder as. Critical surface tension. Critical surface tension explains the relationship between advancing contact angle to the surface tension of a wetting liquid of solid surfaces. A linear shift occurs in between. Observing the following diagram, a relationship between cos theta and surface tension has been obtained. The surface tension obtained at cos theta 1 is called as critical surface tension. Critical surface tension of values of some polymers. Polyvinyl alcohol is having 37, polyvinyl chloride is having 39, polyhexamethylene idipamide having 46, polytetrafluoroethylene is having 18. Applications. Critical surface tension values of polymers find applications in coating of tablets and granules. These values are important in preparation of tablets and capsules. For different tablets of acetyl salicylic acid, in order to ascertain the effect of adjuvants on the wetting ability of tablet surfaces, polymer film coating. So critical surface tension is play an important role in coating of tablets and granules. Detergency. It is an important phenomenon used for cleansing. Surfactants in aqueous solutions or surfactants in the form of aqueous solution used for removing the dirt from the glasses, fabrics and skin. It is also used for removing the dirt from the glass equipments and containers. Used for packaging. Detergency is a complex process. It involves various number of steps. The surfactants which are having hydrophilic and lipophilic valence value lies between 13 to 16 used as a detergents. Types of detergents. Cationic type. Examples are Jaffarin and citramide. Anionic type are soaps and sodium lauryl sulfate. Mechanism. By the use of surfactants reduces the interfacial tension between the dirt and water, and also reduce the interfacial tension between solid and water. Due to reduce the interfacial adhesion between the dirt and solid, it facilitates the removal. Once removed from the material, the surfactant absorbed on the particle surface create a charge and hydration barrier which prevents the again binding with the solid surfaces. After it can be washed with water. The process or steps involved in detergency process. The first initial process initial wetting of dirt from the surface. Second step is solubilizing the dirt. Third one is removing insoluble dirt as in the form of deflocculated particles. Suspending these particles into detergent solutions and removal of oily substances materials and converted into emulsions. Finally, the dirt converted into foam and easily washed. This can be expressed by using following diagram. This flow chart gives the clear picture about the detergency that is placed on normally glasses or fabric or skin by the addition of surfactants or detergents having HLB value 13 to 16, wetting of dirt present on the surface. This will enhance the intimate contact of glass with detergents. The solids which are available in soluble converted into solutions. If the dirt is available in insoluble form, it will converted as a deflocculated dirt into solutions, suspensions. If the dirt is oil in nature, removal in the form of oil soluble dirt converted into dirt in emulsions. These form dirt in solution, deflocculated of dirt into suspensions, dirt in emulsions converted into foam. Finally, washed with a large quantity of water. Wash this foam and clean the surfaces. This is a process or phenomenon used in detergency. Thank you. Today's class discussing about wetting agents and detergents used in pharmaceutical field and their importance. Thank you.